Okay, bike check tayo. Ito yung bike ko, Santa Cruz Nomad V4. Alright, umpisa tayo sa cockpit. Naka race face, handlebar, medyo mahaba yan, kailangan putulan. Tapos yung front suspension na is DVO Onyx 180 travel. Tapos yung brake is MT7 Magura right there, 4 piston. Yan, 4 piston yan. And then Fox transfer post, I think 150 ata yan millimeter. And then yung rear suspension is push 11.6. Tas yung crank is XL1. Same as drivetrain is XL1 Eagle. Tsaka yung derailleur. Tapos yung gulong ko is a Segai, front and back. Kailangan palitan tong likod na to, medyo mabigat, hirap iahon. And then yung rim is a EX511. Tapos yung hubs is a DT Swiss 350, pareho sa harap. And that's my bike right there, Santa Cruz Nomad. Ganda.